I recently posted a comment asking if you wanted to have a post every week, like a digest type post, a longer post with more information in it, or whether you wanted me to post every day with short posts with tips and tricks in them. So the answer is that it might depend on you and it might depend on your preferences. So there is a solution, and that is that I can post often and you can choose how often you get my posts. Let me show you. I want to go to my settings. So you go to your profile, go to your settings, and then click on the Vectorworks Training School. Now I need to go to another one just because I'm the owner of this one and it'll look different to yours. So let's choose this one here. If I go to my settings and I'll look at notifications, I can choose what notifications I get. So for example, I want a digest email every week. I want notifications never. So notifications will appear on your phone and on your computer screen when you go to the community. Do I want admin announcements? So that's when I post something. No, I don't want that. Do I want event reminders? Now you might want to leave those event reminders on just so that you don't miss any of our masterclasses, any of our online webinars and so on. So you might leave that turned on. But for this particular one, I don't want to see that. So I'm going to get no notifications in my email. I'm going to get no announcements, none of that. And I'm going to get a digest every week for that particular community that I belong to. So I go, okay, so that's set that. I can go to all of these and change them. So look at my notifications, never, off, off. And so what that should really reduce the number of notifications I get. Now I might still get the chats up the top here, and I might still see the chats, and I might still see up here some notification of what's coming up. But if you have a look, I belong to a bunch of groups and I get notifications all the time. And I'm finding that I don't need to see them. So I'm going to go through these and I'm just going to change that to weekly, never, off, off, and then close that. And it should reduce the amount of notifications. Here's my notifications here. It should reduce the amount of notifications, and I should get an email every week giving me a digest of what went on in that community. So if that's what you'd like, that's how to do it. Go to the settings, go to the notifications, say that you want to have weekly. You can have a weekly notifications email as well if you want. And so what you should end up with is a digest email every week, but no other notifications. And then at the end of the week, you can catch up and see what we've covered. Now, if you don't like that, you can change it. It's totally up to you. And each person can have their own individual settings. I hope that helps.